Hi there, welcome to Lessons with Loren, style tips to help you get the most from your clothes so you can enjoy more of what you own, keep your clothes longer, and have a wardrobe that you want to wear. And in today's style tip, I am talking about demoting, which is one of my favorite techniques that I use as a stylist. And I will share a link below in the description where I have a more detailed YouTube video explaining what demoting is and how it works. But what I realized is sometimes that demoting can be a concept that's difficult to practice and utilize because seeing is believing, right? So I wanted to show you an example of how I have applied demoting to my own wardrobe so that you can then use that and apply it to your wardrobe, and hopefully it will make it easier and you can see kind of the practical outcome of demoting and why it's so powerful. So this is meant to be like a hands-on exercise. I'm going to show you it. Again, watch the video in the description below to learn more about the theory behind demoting. This is more of the practical application of demoting. And then I'm going to show you each of the 3 pairs of jeans that I'm going to talk about at the end so you can kind of see the progression of the demoting jeans. So the thing I want to start with is I had just recently found another pair of jeans that I bought and brought home. And my first reaction was, I'm going to get rid of the pair that these are replacing because they're getting too big for me. And then I stopped myself and I realized, wait, you have a pair of jeans that you wear when you work from home and they're getting to be pretty sorry. So I applied demoting. And so what this means is instead of getting rid of the middle pair of jeans, if you will, the pair of jeans that I wear out and about, I am demoting them into jeans that I wear when I work from home. So the pair of jeans that I started with were these guys, and these have their own demoting story. So these jeans were bought for wearing when I travel. They're just comfortable, dark wash, skinny jeans. They're very thin. And then they just got a little stretched out. So I demoted them. The first step was I demoted them into jeans I wear when I work from home. They're comfortable. They're not yoga pants, which is a key thing for me. More about that in another video. So they work from home. The pair that I was replacing are these guys. So these jeans that I found, which are perfectly reasonable ankle length, there you go, skinny jeans, but they're just getting too big. And so I don't want to wear them outside the house necessarily. So I replaced them with these jeans, which I wanted the frayed ends. That was something I was looking for, and they fit me great. So how I applied demoting was instead of getting rid of this middle pair, I'm actually going to be demoting them into work from home jeans, and I will be donating this pair. So the key thing about this is that when you demote, you actually change your perspective on what you might be donating or consigning. And if you start to demote before you shop, it will actually inform what you're going to buy a little differently. So in this case, I knew I wanted these jeans that I found, but what if you were like, I want to find jeans that I can wear from home that are comfortable, and you went and shopped them, but in reality, you already had them. You just needed nicer jeans to wear when you leave the house. So that's just one example. So let me know if you've got any questions about this. I love demoting as a topic and discussion point. I think it's very powerful. And I hope you've enjoyed this lesson with Loren. If you have, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to this channel so you are notified when future videos are made available. Take care, everyone, and stay stylish.